Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on subtitles and captioning here. You come here to show audio transcriptions, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going to mean show audio transcriptions disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.